Namaste, Hari Om. Happy Dhanteras to each and everyone who is celebrating the Deepavali festival. And today, actually, the day Dhanteras or Dhan Trayodashi, it is the 13th day in the Krishna Paksha of the Kartika Masa, which is considered to be very auspicious. And the significance of this particular day, Dhanteras, is according to our Hindu scripture, and gods and demons wanted to find this potion for immortality. Nowadays everybody is trying to find that solution or some treatment to look young forever. And back then it was gods and demons fighting with each other to find that portion of immortality or amrita. So in order to find that, they went ahead and with the help of Lord Vishnu in the form of a turtle, they started churning the ocean of milk or Ksheerasagara. So while they were churning the milk, goddess Lakshmi emerged from the ocean, and it is also believed that Lord Dhanvantari, who is believed to be the one who gave the science of Ayurveda, the health science, the contribution of Ayurveda to the world, and he also emerged from this ocean of milk with holding the pot of Amrita, the portion of immortality in one hand, and the sacred text of Ayurveda in the other hand. So that is why today we celebrate Dhanteras in actually two contexts. One, goddess Lakshmi emerged, and also Lord Dhanvantari emerged from the ocean of milk. That is why we celebrate Dhanteras. And it is also believed that if you purchase gold and silver, utensils, these precious metals, it is good for the household. And people really, there will be so many sales going on to kind of encourage people to spend the money. And that is one thing, everybody wants all these materialistic comforts, and they want to show that they have so much, wealth in terms of, precious metals or money and all different investments. At the same time, it would be nice, if you look at the actual wealth. Wealth is not just the materialistic part. It is also wealth in the form of health and wealth, the real happiness, peace of mind. These are some of the intangible wealth that we can't really put a finger on or quantify what it is. So if we can pay attention to those things, that would be the best gift that we can give ourselves and also to our family members. And so let's remember that, along with celebrating the materialistic aspect of this festival. Let's also pay a little bit attention to the actual core values that we are born with: peace, tranquility, health, happiness, caring for each other, compassion, and all those things. And also during this festival, we clean our houses, clean the cupboards, and make sure that the whole house is clean. Because we think that we are welcoming the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi Devi. So she comes only to the house which is clean. So just like anything, right? If it is clean, we attract that positive energy. So that is the significance, actual significance behind that saying. So along with that, let's also clean the negativity out of our system, and try to inculcate the positive values and radiate positivity everywhere. With that note, I wish you all a very happy and safe Deepavali. Let this festival of lights light up all your lives, and bless you all with all the good things. And Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Thank you. Hari Om.